Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I'm in the polytunnel and I'm going to show you how to grow marigolds. So marigolds are an excellent companion plant for your allotment or your garden, particularly deterring pests and attracting beneficial pests. They can be sown directly in the ground, or you can start them off at home in pots. So I'm going to show you how to grow marigolds from seed right through to potting out. So let's show you what we're going to do. So this is the marigold we're going to be planting, and this is a French marionette mix. Performs whatever the weather, fully double blooms. So we can sow this February, March, April, sow indoors, and flowers from June right through to September. Half hardy annual, virtually indestructible in summer bedding, performs well whatever in the weather, mixture of pom-pom flowers in a range of orange colours. So plant height is 20 centimetres, plant spacing is 15 centimetres. So you can get different varieties of marigolds, and you can get African marigolds which grow really tall. So I'm doing my marigolds in a pot. So first of all, we need to fill our pot with our compost. There we go, flatten it down. And then we're going to take our seeds. This is our seeds. So they come in long seed lengths. So we're just going to plant 4 or 5 in this pot. You can do it in a cell tray or whatever you got to hand. Just going to save those for another day. Just going to cover over the top with some more multi-purpose. Going to give it a water. So marigolds need to be kept moist, not dried out, and put in the greenhouse or on a windowsill. And then 7 to 14 days we will get some seedlings, and then we can plant them out in the garden. So within 2 weeks the seedlings appear, and we can see the marigold leaves coming through, and then 2 to 3 weeks we can see they're getting bigger and bigger, and then 6 to 7 weeks we've got a nice big strong plant and a nice flower, lots of lovely buds. So these will be ready to plant out in the garden. So planting marigolds around vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers, they help deter the pests and aphids, green fly and tomato hornworm. And they also attract beneficial insects such as ladybirds, hoverflies and parasitic wasps, which all help control pests. So we're going to get these into the polytunnel with our tomatoes. You can alternatively direct sow your marigolds just by planting them in a drill. Covering them up and give it a water and do them direct. So these marigolds I'm going to be planting in the polytunnel, and they're going to go next to the tomato plants. So we're planting our marigolds next to our tomatoes, and when planting marigolds they need to be 8 to 10 inches between plants for the smaller varieties. Or if you've got the big African ones, about 10 to 12 inches apart. There we go, 1, 2, and then this one. There we go. And that's our marigolds potted out. Give it a water. Just make sure we're planting them out if they're out in the garden after frost. We're still frost in April, May, so polytunnel we should be okay. So there we go. So French marigolds are compact, good for borders and containers, and African marigolds are taller, can be mass planted for larger displays.